In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what Skool is, how it works, what it looks like inside the platform, and whether or not it's actually worth using if you're trying to build a real online business or community. There is an affiliate link in the description if you want to check out Skool for yourself. That said, this is still a completely honest review. If you go to skool.com, you'll see the homepage and it will show you some popular Skool communities. You can sort by category to see the different kinds. They also display how much they charge each month. To create your own, you just simply click on Create Your Own and select Create Your Community. Enter in your information. Now you can choose between the hobby plan and the pro plan. The main difference is the transaction fee, custom URL, and affiliates. For this purpose, I will do the hobby plan. After you've created your account, you select your audience size. You can upload a photo and add your bio. I just added my logo and hit complete. When you first log in, the interface is extremely minimal. Everything is broken into 3 main sections: community, classroom, and calendar. The community tab works similar to a social feed. Members can post updates, ask questions, comment, and engage with each other in real time. It feels a bit like a hybrid between a Facebook group and a private forum, but cleaner and more focused. There's less distraction and the engagement tends to feel more intentional because people are there for a specific topic or transformation, not random social scrolling. The classroom section is where you can host your courses or structured content. This is where creators upload modules, lessons, videos, and resources. It's not the most advanced course builder on the market, but that's kind of the point. Skool is intentionally simple. You can just upload your content and organize it into a straightforward learning path. You just select new course. You can give the course a name and a description. You can choose to have it open, or it can be a level unlock, like they have to watch other videos to unlock this video. They can buy this video. They can unlock it if they've been a member for a certain amount of time, or you can make it private and only certain members can see it. You can upload a cover image and hit add. So now we have this new page. If you select edit, to add a video training, you just go to this icon here. You can add a YouTube video directly, or you can just add a file that you've recorded. I'm going to add one of my YouTube videos in here and click add. I can also add information down here if I want to add some helpful links or any other content for people to see, and I hit save. If you want to add more videos, you just go over here and say add page or add folder. If I add a folder, I can give it a name and hit add. Now this created a separate folder. If I want to add this video to the folder, I click on here, change folder, and add it to that folder. So now I've created my first folder and my first page. If you go back to Classroom, you'll see that this is now one category. I can add multiple courses with multiple pages and folders. You can add different header images here, so it's easy for people to differentiate between the different courses. Then there's the calendar feature, which allows you to schedule events like live calls, coaching sessions, or community meetups. You can go to create my own event, give it a name, set a time, select what type of location it will be at, add a description, add which members can join. You can add a reminder and hit add. This is great for if you're doing coaching sessions, Q&As, updates, anything like that for your community. When you go to map, this is where you can see where all of your members are located, which just gives you a better idea of your global outreach. Another major feature is gamification. Skool uses points and leaderboards to encourage engagement. Members earn points for participating in discussions, commenting, and being active in the community. Those points then show up on a leaderboard, which adds a competitive and motivational element. For some communities, this works extremely well because it encourages consistent engagement without the creator having to constantly push activity. You can also create an about page so that anyone who joins the Skool community can go there and read about your community. From a creator standpoint, one of the biggest advantages is simplicity. You can set up a community quickly without dealing with complicated tech stacks. However, that simplicity is also where some limitations come in. For example, Skool is not designed for deep customization. If you're someone who wants full control over branding, page design, or advanced funnel building, you might feel restricted. Everything looks and functions in a fairly standardized format. While that creates consistency and ease of use, it doesn't offer a lot of flexibility for advanced programmers. Another consideration is pricing. Skool uses a flat monthly fee model per community, which is straightforward but can feel expensive for beginners who don't yet have any paying members. However, if you're actively monetizing a community, it can actually replace multiple tools at once, which makes the cost easier to justify. When it comes to engagement, Skool performs better than many traditional course platforms. Most course platforms suffer from the same problem. People buy a course and never come back. Skool tries to fix that by making the experience more community-driven. Instead of a static course library, you have ongoing interaction, discussion, and accountability. That alone can significantly increase completion rates. From a user experience perspective, joining a Skool community is also very frictionless. Once you're in, everything is accessible immediately. There's no complicated navigation or learning curve. That makes it easier for non-technical users, which is a big advantage if your audience is beginner or casual learners. On the business side, Skool is particularly strong for creators, coaches, and educators who want to monetize their knowledge. If your business model is built around membership communities, coaching programs, or digital education, Skool gives you a streamlined way to deliver that without managing multiple systems. The combination of simplicity, gamification, and integrated structure makes it a strong option for creators who want to focus more on content and community rather than tech setup. If you're serious about building an online community or monetizing your knowledge in a simple, streamlined way, it's definitely worth checking out and testing for yourself. Again, there is an affiliate link in the description if you want to get started. If you found this review helpful, make sure to leave a comment letting me know what you want me to review next. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.